Hi, Gene Zweben from Zweben Law Group here to give you a little bit of information about what to do after a car accident and who pays for your property damage, who pays to fix your car. Typically in Florida, both parties should have insurance to cover your car. On your policy, it's called collision. On the other person's policy who was at fault for the accident, it's called property damage. In Florida, it's required to have a minimum of $10,000 of property damage. So if you weren't at fault for an accident, the other person should have $10,000 to pay to either fix your car or to pay you for your car if your car is totaled. Hopefully they have more depending upon the amount of damage done to your car. If they don't have that insurance for whatever reason, or they don't have enough insurance, you can purchase what's called collision on your own policy to take care of the difference or to take care of your car totally if the other side doesn't have that property damage that they should. So hopefully this gave you a little bit of information about how your car damage gets paid for after an accident. But if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.